Hey everybody, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the Honda Spree that I have for sale. It is a 1985, all original. It has 787 miles on it. I just put new tires on it. It has a new air filter, carb has been cleaned, it has a new fuel petcock, which is under here. I have spray painted the basket, the exhaust, the rims were silver, but a lot of it had surface rust because as the crow flies, this scooter from the original owner was about a mile off of the Gulf of Mexico. This here is the original title and owner's manual. The only little nuance is this bolt here stripped out, so I rethreaded it with the next size up, so it's a standard size bolt rather than a metric, but it doesn't leak any oil. It'll do 35 miles an hour, and I will fire it up for you. Oh, one thing I was gonna do before I did that was I got my temperature gauge here, and just to show you, it's not warm. So it is about 60 something out, and that was a cold start, but go ahead and fire it up again. What did I do? So everything works, high-low beams work, both turn signals work, horn works, fuel gauge works. I haven't ever ran it down on oil, so I don't know if the oil, light comes on, but based on everything else, I wouldn't have any idea or any reason to believe that it doesn't. So I'll just open up the trunk right here and let you see there's a new battery. This is the oil cap. I don't know why it has duct tape on it, but it does, and I didn't take it off to figure out why. But gas tank's clean, everything's original on it, so we just had a little surface rust from the salty air here by the coast. But overall, it's a good scooter. I just don't really have any use for it. It's pretty fun riding around, but so it's currently for sale, and I'll give you a little close-up of everything here. And you can see here, you can kind of see the surface rust. It's not bad, it's not flaking or anything, but when you get up close, you can kind of see that it's not perfect, and it is kind of dirty too, but that's alright. So yeah, there she is.